So we are in a standard studio where you have your very own kitchen that's fitted with a microwave, a cooking stove, sink, and a full-sized fridge. Over here we have a desk that comes with a lamp, drawers, and extra shelves if you need storage. We've also got a double bed and a television. So this is our games room, which we have a PS4 and an Xbox right here. We've also got a Nintendo Switch that you can borrow from reception along with a bunch of other games. Oh look, we're in the cinema room! So right now we are in the gym, which has a variety of equipment ranging from weights behind me to treadmills and machines. It's open 24 hours for your convenience. So that was our very own laundry room in Scape and Lucia, which is equipped with 17 washing machines and dryers. So this is the study room on the 8th floor that's open 24 hours and has a spectacular view of the Brisbane River with beautiful sunsets and sunrises.